Hi, this is Mano from Mano and Money channel. We'll start with a quick disclaimer notice. I request everyone to pause the video for few seconds and read this completely. Okay, so we'll see the list of stocks that I have planned to trade tomorrow, 28th September. I picked some four stocks from Nifty 50 list. We'll go one by one and we'll see the rationale behind the stock selection for trading. The first one is Bajaj Auto. This is a plain vanilla channel movement for the stock selection. The price for the last more than 1.5 months, it has been moving in a channel, and it is at a zone where it is trying to test the channel bottom trend line. So I expect the stock could test this red zone, which confluences with the channel bottom trend line, and I expect a sort of reversal from here. If that happens, price the possibility of reaching the price reaching this mid uh, trend line of the channel, it's a possibility. So if a reversal happens here, I'll catch that moment and trade till this mid trend line. This is on Bajaj Auto. The next pick is HCL Technologies. I expect a reversal from this red zone. The reason is probably I'll just move it to higher time frame. So what the stock has done is it made a downtrend and consolidated in a sort of a channel. That's what I infer. Let's see. If we draw a channel here, so it came down. It traded in a channel, sort of a channel, and then it again went down. Now the stock is consolidating. What could typically happen is it will I expect it to continue the downtrend as it happened here, and the resistance could come somewhere here. It had made a uptrend shortly for the last 2 days. It could get resisted here, but my uh, if I have to take a position here on a short side, I would expect the price to come somewhere here and get resisted at this zone. The reason is it had made a gap down here. There is a huge gap here, and price could possibly test this zone. This gap could act as a resistance. If that happens, I would expect price to get resist here and show some reversal. If that happens, I'll catch the moment and possibly I would trade till this green targets. This is what I expect in HCL Technologies on a short side movement. Next one is the Hero Motor Car. This is again a channel movement stock selection. The price is moving in a sort of a channel, and I expect price to come and touch this bottom trend line of the channel. And I have marked a red zone which confluences with the reversal area. So if the price comes here to the bottom trend line, this red zone might act as a support, and from here price could bounce back, and it could come till this mid of the channel trend line. So if a reversal happens, I would trade this moment on the long side, and similarly on the UPL as well. This is again a channel movement stock selection. Price could break today's low, it could go below, and it might get support here at this channel bottom trend line, and it might bounce back. But I don't expect this to happen tomorrow itself. It may take 1 or 2 days. Probably we can watch this stock for the next 1 or 2 days and see if price comes here and if it shows a reversal signal, we could catch this movement on the long side. So these are all the picks for tomorrow's trading. And in fact, I traded SPL Life today on long side, as well as one from F1O list, apart from that is outside of Nifty 50 list, that is on Godrej Consumer. I made profit in both of the stocks. And considering this as a month end expiry, right, I traded in equity intraday. I didn't go for option trading, which might be riskier, and you might see some. Even in the case of Godrej Consumer, there was no option trading that happened, and there was no exchange of uh, contracts that has happened. So, considering the month end expiry, it's advisable to go for equity intraday for this week. So, I picked stock out of the Nifty 50 as well. I traded Godrej Consumer for today. I'll probably during the weekend review I'll post the stocks that I traded and the profits or loss that I made. So even for tomorrow, I might go for equity intraday in this scripts. If at all, if there are any substantial contract exchange happens in the option, I'll go for option trading. Otherwise, I'll pick for equity intraday. So considering this fact, I might pick some few lists from the F&O as well. Apart from the Nifty 50 list, I have not done yet. I might pick some stocks for trade. If it is too convincing to take the trade, I'll go for it. Otherwise, I'll just trade these four lists alone. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Happy trading.